Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're gonna see a weekend vlog with me and my two best friends from college, hanging out in Pittsburgh. We rented an Airbnb in Lawrenceville, which is kind of like a hip area of the city. Our friend Savannah lives in Charlotte, so we just wanted to spend a long weekend together before she gets married later this year, and just hang out and kind of reminisce about college. I know that I didn't really give much context to the video. I kind of just started filming, so I wanted to hop on here and create a quick little intro. But we hung out Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so let's go ahead and flash back to that Friday.
Do you double dip? Because I do double dip. I don't know what this is.
So we are back from Condado. We had some tacos and chips and queso, and now we're playing Scrabble. So that's how our evening has gone.
The question is, never have I ever driven an automatic.
Okay. I've only driven an automatic.
Never have ever laughed so hard.
It's like a low, like.
Good morning. It is Saturday. We are getting ready to go to breakfast and then to explore the city. This is my room. And it is looking a little icy out, so we hope that it clears up and that the roads are good and that we can walk around. So I am all ready to go, wearing my leopard sweater from White House Black Market outlet. It's still raining and really icy, so we might have to cut our morning short, but we're gonna go get breakfast in the Strip District at this place called Raymond's Cafe. It's more of like a coffee shop. If you've never been to Pittsburgh, you should try Pamela's. They are an amazing diner, have the best pancakes. So we're gonna go over there, get breakfast, maybe walk around a little bit, probably come back here to Lawrenceville and go to this place called the Candle Lab and go get pizza over here and then go out later tonight. So we have a really fun day planned, and I want to take you guys along with me. And this is a really nice background for pictures. How random. So let's go ahead and get this day started. It is about 10:30 right now.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, with me something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Oh, hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about.
we made our candles, and now we are going to get some pizza at Driftwood Oven, where apparently Chrissy Teigen ate there, so that's pretty cool. In my opinion, the candle making was a little bit disappointing. You didn't get to do much, and it was $30, but you could pick like different levels of candles. I just kept my makeup really simple for tonight, just used my spicy gingerbread palette and some NARS lipstick, but we're having a ton of fun, so can't wait to do a little bit more exploring and go out later tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog. Huge shout out to Elena and Savannah for agreeing to be a part of this vlog. I know vlogging isn't always like mainstream, at least in our area and in our fields, so it was super fun. We all had a great time, and I'm really glad that they agreed to be in my vlog. So I'm gonna wrap things up and show you guys a couple of things. I wanted to show you my candle that I made at the Candle Lab. Again, this was $30, and you just go into this big room and there are all of these scents on the walls, and you write down which ones you like the best, and then you mix them and pour them into your jar, and they kind of harden for about an hour, and then you go pick them up. So my 3 scents that I chose were incense, bread and butter, and spiced rum, and I loved the spiced rum. And this scent is just, it's very unique. The lady who was assisting us with making our candles was trying to talk me out of the incense in there, but I think it really gives it this nice contrasting vibe. A lot of people thought I was crazy because they were like, you know, why would you mix like foods in the kitchen with incense? And I'm like, duh, I always read the scents in my Bath and Body Works videos. I know you need a contrasting scent. So I think this turned out really nice. I think the incense prevents it from being too sweet, and it kind of has a little sensual kick to it. So I thought this was really cute, and I did enjoy making it, although I kind of wish we got to like melt the wax ourselves. And then Sunday we went to brunch. I didn't vlog any of that, and I took Savannah back to Monroeville, and we walked around the mall for a bit. I picked up a few things at Express. They were having an amazing sale. All shirts were $5, and I got this shirt for $5, and it says champagne, which I thought would be really cute to wear out or to her bachelorette party. Just adorable, and you can't beat that for $5, like hello. And then I got this dress for $15 because all dresses were $15, and this is just a really cute leopard tie dress. I think this is adorable for work. So that wraps up this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I always subscribe back. Thank you guys for 200 subscribers, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.